Michael Alsami recently asked 90-Day Fiancé fans for financial help in the midst of his dramatic legal battle with Angela Deem. Angela and Michael debuted on 90-Day Fiancé before the 90 Days season 2. Despite their 20-year age gap and the fact that they lived almost 6,000 miles apart, the couple stayed together for several years. However, the distance and their age difference ended up being the least of this couple's worries. Angela never really trusted Michael for the duration of their relationship. She thought he was scamming her, even after they were together for so long. In addition, Angela would get explosively mad at Michael so often that many viewers were concerned for his safety. In fact, some franchise viewers even created a petition to have Angela removed from TLC for abuse. The couple got married in Michael's home country of Nigeria. After the wedding, they then waited 4 whole years for Michael's visa to be approved so that he could join Angela in Georgia. However, after Michael's visa was approved, they only lived together in Georgia for 2 months before Michael went missing. Allegedly, Michael told the police he was scared for his safety while living with Angela. Therefore, he escaped Georgia to live with friends in Texas. However, Angela took this as proof he had been scamming her the whole time. Because of this, she filed for an annulment from Michael and claimed that he was committing marriage fraud. Due to the heavy legal fees, Michael created a fundraiser via the website GoFundMe to ask his fans for money. Here's all the information so far. Michael's fundraiser ended up raising almost double the amount of money that he was initially asking for. The Nigerian man created a GoFundMe account and asked his fans for $25,000 for legal fees to fight the annulment. Only 2 days after Michael posted the fundraiser, it had already raised $43,429. Although many fans donated to the fundraiser, other fans criticized him for asking for money. After waiting for a visa for 4 years, it's understandable that Michael wouldn't want to give up on living in the States after only 2 months. However, because Michael doesn't have a green card yet, he can't legally make money. If he didn't make a GoFundMe, it's unclear how he would be able to fight the annulment. It's a tricky situation, and it only gets more complicated. After waiting for a visa for 4 years, it's easy to understand why Michael wouldn't want to give up on living in the States after only 2 months. However, because he does not have a green card yet, he can't legally make money. It's a tricky situation, and it only gets trickier. Since Angela asked for an annulment and not a divorce, Michael allegedly risks deportation if the annulment goes through. When Angela asked for the annulment, the Georgia woman accused Michael of fraud as well. This is because she is still convinced he was scamming her and that he was never interested in marrying her in the first place. Instead, Angela thinks Michael just wanted to go to the United States, so he was using her. This would upset anyone, of course. However, there is no evidence that Michael was indeed scamming Angela. Despite this, an annulment and fraud charges would probably affect his immigration status. 4 years is a long time to wait to enter the U.S. only to get deported shortly after, so it makes sense that Michael is trying to prevent this. According to Michael's GoFundMe page,